Hello guys, welcome back to Yoshop Personal Finance. I am Ritik and today we'll see the data science training with yoshops.com. So first of all, what is data science? So data science is an essential part of many industries today as it is growing, given the massive amounts of data that are produced. And it is one of the most debated topics in IT circles. Its popularity has grown over the years and companies have started implementing data science techniques to grow their business and increasing the customer satisfaction. So it has many use in many sectors, and it has also a major role in the finance sector as it helps to do the financial modeling. So data science can be incorporated into financial modeling to help and make the assumptions more robust, more accurate, and hopefully closer to an expected reality. Since the data science is the study of how to extract information and insights from data, it can be very helpful for determining assumption in models and performing sensitivity analysis to measure the range of outcomes as they change. And so the data science training program with yoshops.com is like this. It will be a program of 1 month which will consist of 20 classes, and uh, and the classes will be from Monday to Friday, and the training modes conducted will be hybrid, which will be online or in the classroom, and the course free, and the course fee is very minimal. It will be rupees of 1,000 rupees, and it will help you. It is like an investment. So and this program will consist of like gaining a requisite theoretical knowledge. The readers will gain sufficient hands-on practice of the info data science professions, and the demand of data science is growing day by day, as I have said earlier. So the benefits of knowledge data science basic training program are countless, and beginning with the chance to figure with the professionals within the field, up to putting together their own portfolios. So you can also manage your own portfolios with the data science program, or you can uh, take the data science program for your professional use. So this was all from today. And if you like this video, please subscribe to Yoshop Personal Finance channel for analysis of new bonds, NFO, NCD, IPO, ETF, and many more. And also visit yoshop.com and use the coupon code of rupees 100 YO100 for flat rupees 100 rupees discount on all product and free 1 year GST and ITR e-filing services. Thank you.